PSL Pulse butwa mcela igama
Mziwa Mahlubi.
asikele game namhlanje Mziwa ibona kanjani
Bhuti wami igame namhlanje, you know why basibiza happy people. Igama lela alivena kuphi.
Abantu
name any team happy people. You can see thousands and thousands of people are happy.
Yes.
We are happy people. Yasuthini Prayam. Everybody can post and say, yeah, Sundowns knows how to win the league. It's not all about that. It's the beauty of soccer. Who cares about Sundowns? Nobody watches that team. That team, nobody wants to watch that team. Everybody wants to watch Orlando Pirates. You can see Sundowns fans. They are not here to minya. They are here to watch the beautiful football. You understand? We are happy people, Prayam. You understand? And you know what? It's been said to Gujitina, we're missing goals. It's part of football. That's how you practice. When we scored 6, we scored 5. I got paid. Watch us in Durban. How many goals you gonna score? 11. And then people are saying, no, stop this thing of comparing the small boy who ran Mufukeng with Uzwadi. No, they are both playing. They are still in the field. So if players are in the field, you compare them. You compare who's who. And guys, Uzwani is mentoring Mufukeng Bafana Bafana. Ugo process not stupid. He's calling Uzwani, but you know what? This is the future number 10. I want Uzwani to show this boy how to play this position. And Mufukeng is doing exactly that.
Why Uzwani?
Mufukeng, what? 2 games, 5 goals. 2 games, 5 goals. That's Mufukeng for you. You understand? We are happy people, my brother.
Man of the match, remember, man of the match.
Obviously,
Mfukeng. Tell them ngale nto abantu Masindi Nemtanjela. Ungenile fanda go approve abantu wrong model.
Masindi Nemtanjela has always been the greatest player. It's just that in Mapagania, because we want this league so much, we panic whenever. You know Miegu Masindi. You know Mbutuma today. Whenever I got that opportunity, Mixter, the response from the fans was like, no, don't do that, Buccaneers. Don't do that. That's a small boy. We are training a striker for South Africa. For the fact that Mbutuma gets chances, that's a future striker. He will get those goals. Let's give him time.
Just 2 seconds.
Mbutuma is for us. Mbutuma, we love you, boy. We love you, Buccaneers.
Baba!